Hey friends, happy Easter. We just wanted to pop in for just a brief minute and share with you we're doing great.
Yep, we're doing great. Am I on here?
You're
Look,
on here.
We got fresh laid eggs from our daughter's chickens,
Yep.
probably chosen by our grandson just a couple days ago.
Yep.
So really fresh.
Yep. So those are awesome. We're going to have those in our French toast. We've got some sausage cooking up right now.
Peaches and strawberries.
Yeah, some peaches and strawberries. Peaches off our peach tree from last summer.
And where is it?
Let's see. Here's our mixture. The air's getting to them, so they're browning up just a little bit, but they'll be delicious. And some whipped cream.
Whipped cream.
We're having a special Easter
Just the two of us.
Special Easter breakfast. Say that with whipped cream in your mouth. And we just wanted to say here on quarantine day number who knows what that we are good, we're healthy, we're continuing our social distancing, we're having fun together. We wish we could get out and do more and share more with you guys.
But
hey,
we're good and we're following the rules. We are rule followers as far as this is concerned.
Not always.
But yes, we're self-quarantined. It's not the rule in Utah. It's the suggestion, and I think it's important, really important.
Yeah. So here we are, and we're going to show you our breakfast, and happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
We got it.
And we want to say, hi, Larry, our #1 fan.
Well, we may have other fans that might be right up there, but we got to appreciate the ones we know.
There's
that are
Catherine.
watching. Catherine, who else?
Susan.
Yeah?
Oh.
I'm sure there's so many more.
Now they're putting me on the spot.
We're so bad at names.
We are horrible at names.
But we know you when you give us comments. We know who are.
We love getting comments from everybody, but especially seeing the regulars that just say hi to us week in and week out. And
it just makes our day.
It does. Yep.
And grandkids. Oh my gosh. We can't name them all. Well, we could, but we know that Navy comments. We know that Dax and Griff are there.
Yep.
We know that the Baumgartner kids get on there every now and then.
We've got
and Maddie. We have 13 grandkids.
We've got a baker's dozen.
Yeah, we do, and we love them all.
Hi to our grandkids.
Yeah. Oh, and I know that Easton and Max are watching too.
Yep. All right. There's our sausage. That's going to go into the oven to stay warm.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
All right, I'm going to show you what it looks like at our place today. We have a beautiful sunny day. Not extremely warm. It's probably in the 50s, and some clouds are now starting to form, but still pretty nice. This is the view out our backyard. There's the gorgeous mountains that we get to enjoy here in northern Utah. And a little addition to the yard that we just added. And I got to tell you the story behind this. This little statuette was given to Kim's dad from his mother-in-law, kind of as a joke, a number of years ago. And it sat in front of Kim's dad's house, and Kim's stepmom really didn't like it too much, so he took it out to the ranch, and it's been out at the ranch for a long time. And if you've been following us for a while, you know we recently sold the ranch. This was there. Kim wanted it, so we brought it home, and here he sits in our yard. It kind of reminds us both of Kim's dad and brings us happy memories. Although Kim's dad never smoked, or especially a little cigar, but
All right. Sorry, Larry, we're having sausage, not bacon. But this is definitely a Norm breakfast. It is not something that I would eat on a regular basis, but he would eat this every day if he had a chance. French toast, fruit, sausage. We're ready to go. Come on, hon, dish yourself up.
yay! Alrighty. Little French toast. Fresh frozen fruit. Well, the strawberries are fresh, and the peaches were fresh off our tree last summer, and then we froze them. Alright, next I put a little bit of maple syrup. Can you tell this has got a lot of sugar in this meal? Powdered sugar. And whipped cream. And sausage. Who wants to join us? Thanks, sweetie.
You're welcome. My pleasure.
Happy Easter, everyone.
Have a fantastic day.